So, we said we're making an action game, right?
Yeah, in a fantasy world.
With robots. It has to have robots.
And the online multiplayer.
What?
What?
Dude, are you crazy? Making multiplayer games is 100 times harder than single player.
Gas.
You're right, multiplayer is usually 100 times harder. But with coherence, it's only 17 times harder.
Only 17? That's insane.
You mean coherence at coherence.io, right?
Right. Coherence really is the fastest way to make multiplayer games, even during a game jam. Wouldn't it be cool if you could play your game together online?
Hey guys, look, I already got something running.
Wow!
Seriously?
Yeah, just $2 is syncing, but it's a start.
Fascinating.
See? If you want to try it yourself, you can get more information at coherence.io/GGJ.